So the roof terrace is really at the height of its abundance right now. We've been harvesting some great salads. We're starting to harvest runner beans. We've got some great looking cucumbers over here. Got mange two peas in the corner. We've harvested the heck out of this flat leaf parsley. I'm going to rejuvenate it. We're harvesting carrots. We've had beetroot. And we've really had so few pests to deal with. The only thing we have got is a bit of slug and snail action on our mange two up there, which we can show you a close-up of. Now, if you look at where I am, I'm surrounded by flowers, and that's a really important part of how we're keeping the pests down on this roof terrace. Flowers are not only fantastic in terms of bringing in predatory insects, things like hoverflies, for instance, whose larvae will eat aphids. They obviously make the whole place just much prettier for us as well. And some of the key ones are these French marigolds here. They just flower again and again and again, and they're a really good companion plant for lots of vegetables, things like tomatoes, for instance. Over in the corner there, we've got a beautiful dark red nasturtium. We've got sweet peas, and they're clambering through everything. And up here, you'll see we've got some calendula. That's pot marigold. That's another absolutely fantastic companion plant, really easy to sow and grow. Over here, this is beautiful. I could easily plant a hedge of this. This is some coriander. Now, coriander quite often bolts when you get a change in temperature. So you sowed it in the spring. As we came into the summer, it bolted, and I've let it go. And now I've got all these beautiful white flowers, and it's bringing in loads and loads of pollinating bees, which is just great for all the fruit in the area. And it's great for the local population of bees. And also, we've now got seeds starting to form on this, so I'm going to let this stick around. We'll have loads of coriander seeds which we can use for cooking. In the pots, we've put little trailing flowers wherever we can. We've got things like dahlias, that's a good late summer flower. We've got geraniums, we've got heaps and heaps of flowers. So the great thing about our roof terrace is a diversity of plants, a really good mixture. We've watered them and fed them well, so they're not too stressed. And we put in loads of flowers where we can to bring in those predatory insects, and also it makes us come out. We come and see it, we come out, and the way to look after your flowering plants is to keep deadheading them. So when your flowers fade, just pick them off, and then you're going to get loads more like this. So keep deadheading. Now, deadheading's great, you get rid of the flowers, but some of these flowers, you're going to hang on to some of these mature flower heads. This isn't quite there. This is some calendula or pot marigold. I've got some down on the deck there that I have picked, and I'm going to dry them out, and we'll use them for seed for next year's garden. So keep your planting diverse, put in loads of flowers, enjoy your garden, and hopefully relax and enjoy a balance of nature.